Pomoże staying in C cap.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target. Smoke generator started. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir.
Jaki damage Montana?
Screen set.
Yamato, where are you going? I'm just trying to get away if they start shooting me. Don't worry. I'm going into A. Okay. Focus the Petro.
Turning around and going A.
Yeah, see.
You see me focusing?
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target. Enemy cruiser sighted.
Spot, probably Shima here.
Fire on a designated target. Attention, reporting the target position. Engine boost activated.
Shima, focus on please. First was out. Oops, are coming. No. Shima is in the smoke waiting.
What's up, Petro? At A, they're on the left-hand side for you.
Yes. Are you interested in pushing them?
No, not on the moment. I'm detected now.
Shima in the cap. Good first.
Yeah.
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
I have to push out.
Smoke screen set.
Montana's pushing me. Yeah, I'm down. Montana's pushing from behind, I have no chance.
I see him.
Smoke is going away.
Engine boost deactivated.
Torps are down.
India, be careful. I will go support on the side. We need some
Yeah,
care.
roger.
I'm going for C.
I'm going for B again. You get the Stalingrad crew first. I will get the Shima.
The enemy is about to win.
His torps fully down. He has no torps left.
I'm to take the radar in 15 seconds. Slava is pushing in the middle.
Okay. Just
I have
totally
radar
away.
ready for the semi. I have radar now.
Affirmative.
Wait.
Enemy battleship sighted. Engine
He still has one set of torps, so watch out.
smoke generator started.
I'm detected at A.
You guys focus the Stalingrad? I can give him the tactics. Or is he out of range with the Cyclone? Oh, he's far away. Can you get the sim yourself, or do you need help?
I'll need help. I just don't want to push it. He just torped me right away. He saved one set. Probably have a set back by now, so
I have no more radars, so...
it's okay this way. Like if we can hold them back, we have the point advantage in 3 minutes. So
I will get radar soon. I might die.
Our victory is in sight.
Ops incoming now.
Acknowledged.
he's going left side there.
Engine boost deactivated.
Still has one set of torps. Oh, never mind. Nice.
I was
I
just...
think there are two ships in A.
Yeah,
I'll
just let them
detect
be
it
there.
again.
Need 1 minute. Yeah,
ticket,
take it. Yeah, same. Probably another Shima.
seconds until we win. If nobody gets sunk.
Just stay alive. Check. A lot of tops incoming.
30 seconds.
So 3 seconds. So Jimmy got this. Hold on, guys.
20 seconds till win.
No! No!
Didn't he?
No!
Oh,
10 seconds.
nice.
Stay alive.
GG. No one.
Oh, sorry!
Oh, GG's.
Of all the ways to go.
Beautiful. Oh.
Ooh,